The following message is the request of the portal inspections. This is the first night and the boss Jaxe is gonna kill people with his axe. All residents of the United States are ordered get underground now. Bring food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to last you for 14 days. Do not go outside as you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is the request of the portal inspections. The portal is still there, but Jaxe is spreading across United States. This is a dangerous situation, and reports came in that Jaxe made a noise can kill people. If you hear this noise, wear noise-canceling headphones or cover your ears to survive. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Ha. I took over the entire East, and now I am gonna kill you all. The world is ending soon. By the way, you also forgot to mention that I used a nuclear bomb to strike United States. The world will be ending soon. Goodbye everyone, I hope this world ends.
We interrupt irregular programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is the request of portal inspections. There have been many reports about people have been dying due to this cause. Many deaths and injuries have been caused as a result of Jaxe. And a nuclear bomb is striking United States. All residents of United States are ordered to get to a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. If you don't do this, you will result in death. Good luck everyone. This is emergency action termination. Jaxe is killed now. And it's its minions, but however there is massive damage to the planet. So it might take 2 years to rebuild. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming. My resume at this time.